This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable audio and video calls on X, formerly known as Twitter. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on X, formerly known as Twitter. To enable or disable audio and video calls, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. You want to go to the left side pane, down to where it says More. You want to click on More. Then you want to go to where it says Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Now on the Settings and Privacy page, the center pane here, you want to go down to where it says Privacy and Safety. Click on Privacy and Safety. Then on the right side pane, you want to go down to where it says Chat and click on Chat. Then right up top here, Enable Audio and Video Calling. It says take messaging to the next level with audio and video calls. When enabled, you can select who you're comfortable using it with. If this is toggled on, you're accepting audio and video calls. If it's toggled off, you're not accepting audio and video calls. If you toggle this top part off, this bottom part goes off too. I'm going to toggle it back on. If you have it on, down below that, allow audio and video calls from people in your address book, people you follow, verified users, everybody. You can select or not select any one of these. That is how to enable or disable audio and video calls on X. Thanks for watching.